Yo, Lionel, what's for lunch today?
Today I'm cooking Assam Laksa, also commonly known as Penang Laksa. This is a dedication to all my Penang friends who has been in Singapore for so many years. So this is my take on Penang Laksa. Okay, so right now I'm going to blend my basic laksa ingredients for the Assam Laksa. Okay, lemongrass, shallots, turmeric, galangal, garlic, chilies, fresh red chilies, and dried chilies. Everything goes into my trusty little blender. Add a bit of water, alright? On a very hot pan, fry the rempah. Hot oil. Why must be hot oil?
Why?
Because you need to fry this until it becomes very fragrant. If the oil is cold, it's going to be very oily and you're going to still have the chai qing wei. Now we throw in the rempah mix. Be careful with splatters. Okay, so I'm going to fry it until it's fragrant, okay? But this one you need to remember. This is the mistake that always people make. When making rempah, you need to keep stirring. Why? Because rempah will always stick when you get chao ta. So this is going to take at least about 20 to 30 minutes. I can't speak Cantonese, but because of you all, I can speak Cantonese.
That's the question I'm asking you. Kay lawyer. Thank you to our Malaysian friends. We learn all this language because of you all.
Okay, see the bubbles? This is because this is after that the water content is already left. So then whatever is left is all the oil. So we're going to leave this one side first. Okay, we're going to use this later.
Yep.
Now I'm going to boil the fish. Today I'm going to use Indian mackerel.
Okay, so what do you have here going
What
on?
I have here is fish stock. Done the night before. Fish bones and all the flavors of the lemongrass and the laksa leaf. This is laksa leaf. Smells like laksa. Now I'm going to flake the fish. I'm going to throw this in first. I'm going to cook the fish. Put this in, boil for about until it's cooked lah. Then, while this is cooking, this is tamarind. Because you need to get the seeds out of the Assam. Okay, this Assam is actually fermented tamarind. You need to ferment it before you can use it, so you need to squeeze it. You see all these seeds? Now you don't want all this. You only want the water. Okay, I'll get all these wonderful flavors out into this bowl. Oh my god. Okay, I still want to squeeze it out. Okay. How to know if your fish is cooked? Hello?
Hello?
Hello? It's okay. But if you guys should smell this, because right now the laksa leaves is already penetrating through into the liquid. You can smell it, it really smells like laksa. I want to toast my Belacan. What is Belacan? It's actually fermented shrimp in a block.
So dry toasting.
Dry toasting. Or you can smell, right? When you toast it, right? Oh my god, the smell just comes out. But after it's being toasted, oh yeah man, the flavors are beautiful. Okay, I'm going to take out one piece. Break this part here. Carefully take away this part here. You can see that the bones, right? You are really just removing that bones. You can see. Okay. I take my hot pan with my rempah inside. I will pour my stock into it. And the secret is adding this. Belacan. Okay. Laksa leaves. This is what makes laksa. Sa面 correct. Sa 你的面，什么都是sa. I'm going to blanch my noodle.
Okay.
This is laksa noodle. Okay, laksa noodle looks like this. Okay, you have the chor bihun, which is the thicker ones. But I prefer using this one, easier to eat also. Alright. sa 面好了.
Okay, right? 上
面. This one you do Italian style, just put inside, it's fine. Before I do anything else, I need to blanch my fish, make it hot. So you need to get rid of all the fishy smell first. So my stock goes inside. Check it out. Check out the color, man. I'm gonna put pineapples. Need to put something more cooling. Cucumber, so cool.
So that's the refreshing sweetness.
So cool, right? Now this is the one that is the most important, I feel, which is ginger flower. Okay, this is shrimp paste. This is the real shrimp paste. Okay, this is like the rojak paste, but it's not. This makes it so interesting. And there you have it. I present to you Lionel's version, Lionel's take on Assam or Penang Laksa. So simple. Subscribe to the podcast for more of these fucking good videos. Enjoy. And if you like laksa, catch me next week. I'm making nyonya laksa, my favorite.